Well, here we have one of these vacuum cleaners, Ultra Power by Hoover. Had it for a couple of years and it's been back and forth to the shops multiple times, so I'm going to check it out. I'm going to take the batteries out and then we put in. He's inspecting it quickly. I'll take the device apart. Puden, come here, puss. Here, look at this big boy here. He's about 5 months old. He's a really nice cat. I'll let him outside. This cat loves my workshop. Looking for whatever I can find, mice or other things. Let him have a play around. I need to clean this mess up here. Look at the device. There we go. Bye. Oh, well, we're going to take this thing apart. There's a release button here somewhere. This is actually quite compact, so I want to take the batteries out of this device here. Not too readable. Take this part apart. Couple more screws in here. Now we've gone to the more interesting part. So I've already ripped it open. Got 3 of these batteries here, 18650. Let's hope they still work. You never know. One. Battery sent series. I think you get this battery sensor. Oh, the tabs on here. Yeah, okay. Ah, let's slide up these things. There's a whole lot more in there. I thought it was 3, there's another 3 or 4 or 5 in there as well. Oh, interesting. The pricing finally got the module out. Can throw that away. So I got 6 batteries in here. Now it's in the middle of getting all the batteries out and see if they still work. A lot of electronics in here. For your monitoring temperature and stuff. They're on series. While they were. Motor is probably good for something. I may use it for soldering iron extraction or something. On a variable supply. Not a good sign. So there's 1.2 mega ohms, that's the open circuit. That one doesn't respond to anything. The open is mega ohms. I don't know whether it comes in mega ohms. Not a good sign. It's not reading volts. Normally you have also voltage on these things. 0.6. think that is a doubt. I need to stick them in a charger, see what happens. It's actually quite well made still. You've got sensing wires, the blue one, the red one, they're all different batteries. There's a white one on that battery, orange one on that battery, so they monitor. There's a black one on that battery, so they do measure the voltage, probably for equivalent sharing for voltages, and it probably got documented in the chip, so they come in through this connector here, and that goes into the circuit board. Interesting. The other two hidden screws, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, they're here in the bottom of this device, and then the assembly hopefully comes apart. Comes wobbly, that's good. I've got the motor separated, may use it for some experimental thing. And we got this assembly. I usually keep most of those screws. Come in handy if you have to put something together, and it's oddball screws with tap into plastic. Pull this apart. It's pretty tight. Sensing plug out, comes out, yeah, there you go. Get access to the batteries. Now, lithium batteries, you also need to be careful with charging those. Charge them on a proper charger. A bit of length on these wires. Don't short them out, because you never know if there's charging them or not. And I couldn't measure anything. There we go, that's better. Get that away. Cut that jumper. Put that one. Couple batteries here. 3 more batteries here. Circuit board, no use for. In the bin. Let's see if you can read it. 11865. The nameplate said that that's 2000 milliamp hours, so I don't think the best quality. Look at this cat. Putin, push, push. What are you doing? Covered in spider webs. Had a bit of clean up here. So these are the 6 batteries from that little vacuum, and it's the motor from what was it? Oh, the range hood. Yeah, I'm gonna just energize it and see if it runs. Well, it is running, but I didn't have to rewind it. I'm just gonna give it a duration test, see if it overheats or not. And this is the loading on that particular motor. Nearly 90 watts. Coming. Get pretty warm.